Boston, the capital of Massachusetts, is a captivating destination that blends a rich history, academic excellence, cultural vibrancy, and a thriving arts scene. Boston is renowned for its charming neighborhoods, historic landmarks, and world-class institutions and offers many tourist experiences. One of Boston's most iconic attractions is the Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile (4-kilometer) trail that winds through the city's historic sites. Visitors can follow the red brick path to explore 16 significant locations, including the Massachusetts State House, Paul Revere's house, the Old North Church, and the USS Constitution Museum. The trail provides a fascinating journey through the American Revolution and the birth of the United States. The city's academic prestige is evident in its numerous universities and colleges, notably Harvard University and MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Visitors can explore the campuses, visit renowned museums like the Harvard Museum of Natural History, and immerse themselves in the intellectual atmosphere that permeates the city. For art enthusiasts, Boston's museums offer an impressive collection of masterpieces. The Museum of Fine Arts houses an extensive range of artworks, from ancient Egyptian artifacts to contemporary pieces. With its enchanting courtyard and eclectic collection, the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum is a must-visit for art lovers. The Institute of Contemporary Art also showcases cutting-edge contemporary art and hosts engaging exhibitions. Boston's neighborhoods each have their distinct character and charm. Beacon Hill is known for its cobblestone streets, historic brownstones, and charming gaslit lamps. The lively and diverse North End is famous for its authentic Italian cuisine and the historic Old North Church. Back Bay boasts Victorian brownstone homes, high-end shopping on Newbury Street, and the picturesque public garden. Boston's culinary scene is diverse and thriving, blending traditional New England fare and international flavors. Seafood lovers can indulge in fresh lobster, clam chowder, and oysters, while the city's North End Italian restaurants serve delicious pasta and cannoli. Additionally, Boston's craft beer scene is booming, with numerous breweries and beer bars showcasing local brews. Boston's excellent public transportation system, including the subway, known as the T, and buses, makes it easy for visitors to explore the city and its surrounding areas. Additionally, Boston's proximity to other New England destinations like Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and the historic towns of Salem and Plymouth makes it a great starting point for further exploration. With its captivating history, vibrant culture, intellectual atmosphere, and distinct neighborhoods, Boston offers a rich and rewarding travel experience for tourists seeking a blend of heritage, art, and city charm.